gukurigereria aria baikiranite gati yari baigwananite engaki kiama gia ODM na boigo UDA bachitamo umwaka oyetete ikare kiga nigo gyakorekana ase nyumba ya KICC mucho Nairobi nigo Koenekia bitambukiro abye magendere serikali yokubwatirana yarire asoko Koenekia chi agenda IKOMI CHIOKOIGWANA abarai nse yobo mobu nigo batebire serikali yakorire amange gati yaria akwanerete mulikito Edinamora noroboti urwe EGEIKARO kia serikali yokubwatirana gati ya kiama kia ODM na UDA nigo gyakorekana ase nyumba ya KICC rituko ria rero asobwa mobo baringe kurigereria ari baikeranirie ase chia chenda chire IKOMI baigwananite ekero kyugo chamo kwabo inse yo murai nyagusira Raila Odinga.
The 10-point agenda was not imposed on us. The 10-point agenda was our commitment, voluntary commitment between our parties in respect to the people of Kenya. Let me speak specifically to some 6 or 7 critical issues. Number one is inclusivity, and especially the matter of cost of living. The people of Kenya have spoken with clarity on how they want our country to be much more inclusive and for us to be able to have a society that leaves nobody behind. The national debt has been a very big challenge to Kenya. In fact, debt almost brought our country to its knees. We had to intentionally deal with the debt. What have we done on matters to do with debt? Number one, we made sure that we did whatever it took. And I appreciate that I had to make some very difficult decisions for us to be able to escape that. We had to cut down on spending by about 300 billion. We had to remove subsidies on unga. We had to remove subsidies on fuel. We had to eliminate, we had to stall some of our projects because we had to pull back from continuous borrowing.
Umurai Ruto nigaereire chinchira nebitambukiro biria serikali yairire asoko Koenekia nga Esira yense eyo yaringe nene kigima yairanire nse asegitambukiro gyo gukora chinkwana n'abanyasira iri kurwa chinga kichisaine na koirania Esira yonse.
We went to the market in February 2024. We went to the market in February 2025. We went to the market in October 2025, and we went to the market again this February. To do what? To do liability management. The debts that were due next year, we now have no debts due in 2027. We have a small debt due in 2028. Then we will go to 2037. We have reorganized our debt portfolio so that it doesn't threaten our fiscal sustainability.
Nigamenta gotebanga ense ya Kenya tiri guchego kabesa nainde ekiagera nigira chigutumika enibo ya yenyene asogokora magenderero.
We have also decided that we are going to be innovative. We are going to be creative in how we do public assets. It is no longer tenable for us to continue borrowing. That is why we have said we are not taking any borrowing resources unless it is absolutely necessary. I see some people say there has been a disagreement between Kenya and the IMF. There is no disagreement. We have just agreed on what to do. We have agreed that if we need your money, we will come for it. If we don't need it, we will do with the resources we have. I mean, how does that amount to a disagreement? Have alternative instruments of financing our development.
Kuriboteria ETV Yansoko Ereta Nedinamora.